Welcome. In this video, we will explore STP, a strategic marketing approach that helps businesses thrive. Ever wondered why marketing doesn't always work? Let's tackle the riddle of the market. Many companies face challenges in reaching their target audience and making their marketing efforts count. Enter STP, or Segmentation, Targeting, and Positioning, your compass in the complex world of marketing. STP is the key to understanding your market and creating effective strategies that resonate with your audience. Let's start with segmentation, the process of dividing the market into distinct groups. Segmentation criteria include geographical, demographic, psychographic, and behavioral factors. Next is targeting, where you choose the most promising customer segments to focus on. Targeting strategies range from undifferentiated mass marketing to highly personalized micro-marketing. Finally, positioning is about creating a unique and valuable place for your offering in the customer's mind. This includes developing a unique value proposition and using positioning maps to visualize your market position. Let's see how STP works in practice with a coffee shop example called City Beans. City Beans segments the coffee market, targets a specific segment, and positions itself accordingly. Now, it's your turn. How can you apply STP to your product, idea, or business? Follow these steps to formulate your own STP: segmentation, targeting, and positioning. Reflect on the challenges and immense value of using STP in your marketing strategy. Avoid common mistakes and be mindful of market dynamics to leverage STP effectively. Here are the key takeaways for achieving marketing success with STP. Focus on customer understanding, relevance, and uniqueness to stand out in the market. Let's engage in a practical workshop and exchange experiences to deepen our understanding of STP. Share your STP examples in the comments. Read, like, discuss, and share with colleagues.